Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to enable the battery percentage on your iPhone. It's a really simple process, so let's jump right in. First, you need to head over to your Settings app. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the battery setting. Tap on that. Okay, now you should see the battery percentage toggle right at the very top. Just flip that switch on or off depending on your preference. Super easy. While you're here, you'll also see other useful settings like battery health, which is definitely worth checking out periodically to see how your battery is doing. And you'll also see charging optimization. I highly recommend keeping optimized battery charging enabled for the best long-term battery health. Alright, that's all there is to it. You can now exit out of your iPhone settings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching.